I'm Vicky. I'm the PA and injection artist at V-Line Aesthetics at Skin Perfect Brothers Walnut location. Power Lift is a 3-step process that utilizes Botox, filler, and threads to lift face. I started at Skin Perfect Brothers with V-Line Aesthetics for about a year and a half, and it's also the time that I was trained under Joseph, the master trainer of V-Line Aesthetics. I definitely enjoys working here, enjoys the V-Line Aesthetic training program, and I feel like I have really improved in my skills of injection with Joseph and the V-Line Aesthetics. Every morning, actually 2 times a week, we do trainings in the morning, during the morning meeting with Joseph, and also during the day he will pop in, and if there's any questions, then he will answer, and he will also give me the latest updates on injection techniques and anatomy. We go over anatomies all the time, every day, and also if I have any question, he's always there to back me up. So I like every aspect of the V-Line Aesthetic program, but the best part is definitely the hands-on experience. We have so many clients here and they're also very understanding of our training situation, and they're also very cooperative and nice. So I definitely love how I can get a lot of hands-on experience. So everything makes me excited about working in this environment, but one thing I really love is the people here. Everyone is so supportive. Every staff, we're not only just the co-workers, but we're also a family. We always constantly help each other, and also give each other feedback so we can grow. So I love it here.